Hi guys, I'm here to make a coffee cake today. Add the baking powder and the cocoa powder into the cake flour and mix it thoroughly. Add the butter straight out of the refrigerator into the sugar and beat it thoroughly from low to high speed. Meantime, add the eggs one after the other. Eggs should be kept at room temperature and beat it until the sugar granules get totally crushed off. Add the dry mixture into it and beat it for a minute or two. Add the coffee mixture and the essence, either coffee or cocoa as per your preference. Now the cake mixture is ready to be baked. You can use a 6.5 inch since it's a 500 grams cake. Pour it in a manner where you get the center being shallower than the surrounding. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees for a few minutes and we're going to bake it for 45 minutes. Place the cake tray just below the middle level. You can either have the cake along with custard topping like a pudding, or else we can apply the usual buttercream icing topping with maybe some sprinkles and roasted cashew nuts. See you guys. Have a good time.